They're just thinking how we're gonna take her to bed. Idiots. They are all idiots. They are all pieces of shit. There are some good ones, but you know, from 10 you have to find one. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. From 10 you have to take like a watermelon, like this, and then no, like this. Oh no, like this. Oh, it sounds a little bit better. No. Let them go until you find the right one, honey. The guys, they're all ding-a-ling. And if they didn't have it between the legs, they will leave it in some kind of motel. And then they're going to call, hey, Mr. Hayes, you left here the ding-a-ling. Come and pick it up. The first time, if you have a date in a beautiful hotel, he come with a beautiful car, with a beautiful credit card. The car belongs to his dad. The credit card belongs to his brother-in-law. He comes to impress you, and he's not him. He's some kind of representative. He's coming to try to see what we're going to do tonight. Shit.